Привет! My name is Irina. Я Irina. Today we are going to learn числа. Числа is numbers. Wait a sec. We actually learned them in our previous class. Today we are going to use them. Woo. Alright, so actually what I expect from you is to remember those numbers, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You didn't learn them? Really? Just 10 words? Come on. Watch my previous video and learn them. You can also find my video courses on my website, so you can learn it faster. But either way, we are going to review everything we learned at our previous class, so either way you will learn the numbers. We learned 5 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which are 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We are going to use them in the sentence, so you can actually practically use these words. What we are going to do, let me find the eraser. We are going to say it is 6 o'clock, it is 7 o'clock, it is 8 o'clock, it is 9 o'clock, and it is 10 o'clock. So let me help you and let me show you how we do that. Well, also, you know how to pronounce it, so, yep, too late. Too late. Now you need to remember how to pronounce numbers. So basically, in the English language, we say it is 6 o'clock. In the Russian language, we do not say it is. It doesn't make any sense for us. So what we say is now 6 o'clock. That's it. Everything is clear. When? Now. 6 what? O'clock. Let's learn the words. Now, you actually saw this word before. It's the word сейчас. Alright, let's write it down together. Сейчас. Сейчас, now. In the Russian language, we do not, I underline again, not use the verb to be. We just don't. We don't have is and are. We don't need it. Why? Just don't. Сейчас 6, and then we need the word o'clock. This is a plural form o'clock. So if it's 1 o'clock, it could be singular form. If it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's plural form. So you're going to learn the plural form of the word o'clock, which is часов. Okay, let me help you with the transcription. I know you love the transcription because, oh come on, it's the Russian language, different letters, different numbers, everything is different, everything is so scary. We need the transcription. So, сейчас, час is stressed, and часов. Часов. So if we see the sound consonant in the end, we make it deaf. So we don't say v as a sound, but we make it soundless. Часов. Okay. So basically, all these numbers can be used in one and the same structure. Сейчас 6 часов. It is 6 o'clock. Now, basically. Сейчас 7 часов. It is 7 o'clock. Now. It is 7 now. Сейчас 8 часов. It is 8 o'clock. Now. Сейчас 9 часов. It is 9 o'clock. Now. Basically, now it is 9 o'clock if we literally translate it. And сейчас 10 часов. It is 10 o'clock now. Well, please write this down You can write it several times so you can practice your writing. You can try to practice pronunciation. You can rewind this video and watch it again. So basically, again, I want to tell you that we do not say the word it is. We say now 6 o'clock, now 7 o'clock, now 8 o'clock, and so on. Alright guys, well today you learned how to say it is o'clock now. And I wish you a great night. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you need private classes, email me about it, and find me on Instagram, on Facebook. You can find me on vk.com, which is Russian Facebook. Yeah, it would be the best one. And see you later. Пока-пока.